In triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is equal to 24 centimeter, BC is equal to 7 centimeter. Determine sin A cos A and number 2 sin C cos C. Friends, यहाँ पे हमने फिगर ड्रॉ कर लिया ट्राइंगल ABC where B is 90 degree. Okay. Now sin A and cos A हमें फाइंड करना है. So sin का फॉर्मूला क्या रहता है? परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. ओके. एंड कॉस का फॉर्मूला साइन थीटा लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे हम. एंड कॉस थीटा इज इक्वल टू बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. ओके. सो व्हेन थीटा इज ए, सो साइन ए, लेट अस राइट दैट आल्सो. साइन ए इज इक्वल टू, अगर हमें इसको थीटा कंसिडर किया है तो परपेंडिकुलर बनेगा BC इज इक्वल टू BC अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज इज AC. ओके. एंड कॉस A इज इक्वल टू बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. अगर ये हमने थीटा कंसिडर किया तो बेस हमारा AB है अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज इज AC. नाउ लेट अस सी व्हाट इट वुड बी व्हेन इट इज थीटा इज C. सो साइन C इज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. सो ये अब हमने कंसिडर कर दिया है. यहां से अगर हम देखेंगे तो परपेंडिकुलर AB बनेगा AB अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज AC ही रहेगा. एंड कॉस C इज इक्वल टू बेस इज BC अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज इज AC. ओके. नाउ व्हाट इज वेरी क्लियरली अंडरस्टूड इज कि हमें ये रेशियोज फाइंड करने हैं तो पहले हमको AC फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. ये AC हमको दिया हुआ नहीं है तो हमें पहले ये फाइंड करना. और ये हम कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? दिस इज स्ट्रेट एंड सिंपल एप्लीकेशन ऑफ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम. AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर. लेट अस डू दैट. AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर. So AC square is equal to AB is given to us as 24 centimeter. 24 square plus BC is given as 7 centimeter. So this is 7 square. Okay. So AC square is equal to 24 square, which is 576 plus 7 square is 49. So AC square is equal to 6 plus 9, 15, 1 carry over, 8 and 4, 12 and 6, 25 is AC square. So AC is equal to under root 625, which is equal to 25 centimeter. Okay. Now with the help of AC that we have found, we can find these ratios: sin A, sin B, sin A cos A, sin C cos C. Okay. Let us write these ratios. Sin A is equal to BC upon AC. BC is given as 7. So sin A is 7 upon 25. Sin A is equal to 7 upon 25. Cos A is equal to AB upon AC. AB is given as 24. AC is 25. So cos A is equal to 24 upon 25. Now sin C, this is equal to AB upon AC. AB is 24, AC is 25 that we have found. And cos C is equal to BC upon AC. BC is 7 centimeter and AC is 25 centimeter. So this is 7 upon 25 and this is the values that we wanted. Question number 2. In figure, find tan P minus cot R. Friends, यहाँ पे हमको एक triangle दिया गया PQR which is right angled at Q. PQ is 12, PR is 13 and QR is not known. So triangle PQR is given to us and angle Q is equal to 90 degree. PQ is equal to 12 centimeter and PR is equal to 13 centimeter. Okay, so tan P, let us first take that ratio. Tan P is equal to perpendicular upon base. So अगर मैं tan P की बात कर रहा हूं तो मैं इस एंगल की बात कर रहा हूं, इस एंगल P का tan फाइंड करने की बात कर रहा हूं, विच इज परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस. सो अगर ये वाला एंगल कंसिडर करता हूं तो परपेंडिकुलर बनता है QR अपॉन बेस इज PQ. Okay, let us go to the next point is cot R. Cot is inverse or reciprocal of tan, so cot R is base upon perpendicular. अब मैं एंगल R की अगर बात करता हूं यहां पे तो उसका पर बेस हो जाएगा QR एंड उसका परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगा PQ. सो दिस इज QR upon PQ. So friends, we are talking about the same ratio QR upon PQ only. हालांकि यहाँ पे नाम अलग अलग है, बट बिकॉज एंगल्स चेंज हो गए हैं इसलिए हमारे रेशियोज डिफरेंट हो गए हैं. बट इफ यू सी फाइनली द रेशियोज आर सेम, QR upon PQ. So now the answer lies in finding the value of QR which is not known to us. Okay, वैसे हम इसको देखने जाएं तो we can straight put Pythagorean triplet का फॉर्मूला. The first triplet is जो हम ट्रिपलेट्स याद करते हैं या हमने प्रीवियस स्टैंडर्ड्स में पढ़ा है, इफ हाइपोटेन्यूज इज 13, one side is 12, the other would be 5. That is a Pythagorean triplet. 5, 12, 13. 5 square is 25, 12 square is 144, 25 plus 144 is 169, and 13 square is 169. So the Pythagorean triplet, this is 5, but let us solve it and then find the value of QR. So PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. PQ square plus QR square. PR square is given to us, 13 square है ये. So 13 square is equal to PQ is 12. This is 12 square plus QR square. So 169 is equal to 144 plus QR square. So QR square is equal to 25 and therefore QR is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, now with the having found this value of QR, we can straight away put it over here. So QR upon PQ, so QR is 5 upon PQ is 12 and here QR is 5 and PQ is 12. So tan P minus cot R is 0. Okay, so tan P, therefore tan P minus cot R is equal to 5 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12 is equal to 0, and this is the answer. Question number 3. If sin A is equal to 3 upon 4, calculate cos A and tan A. So sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So let us draw a right angle triangle. Okay, A is this, B and C. So sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse and this is equal to 3 upon 4. So perpendicular is 3, hypotenuse is 4. Base is not given to us. We have to find cos A, that is base upon hypotenuse, and tan A, perpendicular upon base. Okay, so यहाँ पे base हमारे पास नहीं, हम base पहले find करेंगे. Now with the help of Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus CB square. So AC is 4 square, that is 4 square is equal to AB, that is not known to us, plus 3 square. So 16 is equal to AB square plus 9. So AB square is equal to 7 and AB is equal to under root 7. Okay, base मिल गया हमको. Now we can find these ratios. Cos A is base upon hypotenuse. Base is root 7 and hypotenuse is 4. So cos A is root 7 upon 4. So cos A is equal to root 7 upon 4 and tan A is equal to perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular is 3 upon base is 7. So 3 upon under root 7. ये हमारे आंसर्स हैं. These are the required values. Question number 4. 15 cot A is equal to 8. Find sin A and sec A. Okay. So cot A or maybe cot theta is equal to base upon perpendicular. ये tan का इनवर्स है और दिस इज इक्वल टू 1 अपॉन tan थीटा. ओके, sin थीटा इज इक्वल टू परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. ओके, एंड sec थीटा is inverse of cos theta. Sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta and cos theta का फॉर्मूला है बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. सो ये रिवर्स हो जाएगा, हाइपोटेन्यूज अपॉन बेस. ओके, नाउ वी आर गिवन दैट 15 cot theta is equal cot A is equal to 8. So 15 into base upon perpendicular is equal to 8. 15 base upon perpendicular is 8. So we can write that base upon perpendicular is equal to 8 upon 15. Okay. Now with this, let us draw a right angle triangle. Okay. So let us name it as A sin है ना, sin A है. So let A be here, B and C. cot A है, sin A है, sec A है. तो हमने A को वहां ले लिया. ओके, अब परपेंडिकुलर है 15, बेस है 8. हमें फाइंड करना है हाइपोटेन्यूज. ओके, सो AC स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू AB स्क्वायर प्लस BC स्क्वायर. सो AC स्क्वायर is equal to AB is 8 square plus BC is 15 square. So AC square is equal to 64 plus 225. So AC square is equal to 289 and AC is equal to 17. We have found that hypotenuse is 17. Okay, now let us place the values over there. हमें फाइंड करना है sin A, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 15, hypotenuse is 17. So sin A is 15 upon hypotenuse. Sin A is equal to 15 upon 17 and then we are supposed to find sec A. Sec A is hypotenuse upon base. So hypotenuse is 17 and base is 8. So sec A is 17 upon 8. And these are the values. Answer. Question number 5. Given sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12, calculate all other trigonometric ratio. Friends, given that sec theta is equal to 13 upon 12. Okay, we know that sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Okay, and cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. So ये sec theta क्या होगा? इसका रेसिप्रोकल. Therefore sec theta is equal to hypotenuse upon base, and this is equal to 13 upon 12. ओके, हमें एक राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल दिया हुआ है जिसमें हाइपोटेन्यूज 13 है, बेस 12 है. लेट अस ड्रॉ दिस राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. लेट अस नेम इट एज ए, बी एंड सी. अभी इन ट्रायंगल, इन राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल ए बी सी, ए सी इज द हाइपोटेन्यूज, so this is equal to 13. Okay, and base is 12, so this is equal to 12. Okay, अब हमारे को ये जो मिसिंग वैल्यू है वो फाइंड करनी है. Okay, so either we can straight away put the Pythagorean triplet AB would be 5, or let us just calculate what is the value of AB. Okay, so in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC हमें दिया हुआ है 13, so AC square is 13 square is equal to AB, that is not known to us, plus BC is known to us, that is 12 square. Okay, so this becomes 169 is equal to AB square plus 12 square is 144. Now AB square is equal to 169 minus 144, which is equal to 25. Okay, so the value of AB is under root 25. So AB is equal to under root 25 and AB is equal to 5 units. So we have found this. Let us put the value of AB as 5 over here. ये हमने derive कर लिया. Okay, now we want to find all the other trigonometric ratios. Okay, अभी बाकी trigonometric ratios के लिए हम एक बार सारे ratios लिख देते हैं and then we'll directly put the values. Okay, so let us start with sin theta. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Okay, tan theta is perpendicular upon base. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular upon base. Okay, cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta is equal to hypotenuse upon perpendicular. Sec theta तो दिया हुआ है हमको, and now the last and the final ratio is cot theta. Cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. 1 upon tan theta is cot theta, so इसका ratio बनेगा base upon perpendicular. We now have all the values with us. हमारे पास base भी है, hypotenuse भी है, perpendicular. Let us straight away put the values and complete this sum and go to the next sum. See, this is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular we found as 5. ये मिल गया हमको 5. Hypotenuse is 13. So this is perpendicular of hypotenuse is 5 upon 13. Okay. Cos theta is base upon hypotenuse. Base is 12. Hypotenuse is 13. And tan theta is perpendicular upon base. So this is 5 upon 12. Cosec theta is hypotenuse, that is 13, upon perpendicular, that is 5. And cot theta is base, that is 12, upon perpendicular, that is 5. सारी values हमारे पास आ गई हैं. Okay, we just had to find out what was the value of the perpendicular, and then we are able to find out the entire, all the ratios. And finding the missing value was very simple. We did it by using Pythagoras theorem over here. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square or perpendicular square plus base square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so we have found out all the ratios and this is the answer that we have found. Question number 6. If angle A and B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Okay, given that angle A and angle B are acute angles, that is the value is less than 90 degree and cos A is equal to cos B. Okay, ये हमें दिया हुआ है angle A and angle B are less than 90 degree and cos A is equal to cos B, and we have to prove that angle A is equal to angle B. To prove that angle A is equal to angle B. Now let us see what does this mean. Cos A is equal to cos B. जब ये दे रहे हैं तो इसका मीनिंग क्या है? Let us understand that first. When it is cos A and cos B, so cos A की वैल्यू होती है बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज and cos B की वैल्यू भी होगी बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. So बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज in cos A is equal to बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज in cos B. So वो दोनों cos A और cos B दोनों के लिए एप्लीकेबल होगा. So cos थीटा is equal to बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. Okay, बेस upon hypotenuse. Okay, now let us assume that there is a triangle ABC such that CD is perpendicular to AB. Let there be a triangle ABC such that CD is perpendicular to AB. Okay, so which would mean that AD upon AC, cos A हो जाएगा AD upon AC, जो हमने यहाँ पे लिखा बेस अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज, ए बी बेस बन जाएगा. लेट देयर बी ट्रायंगल ए बी सी सच दैट सी डी इज परपेंडिकुलर टू ए बी. इसको हम अगर डायग्राम बना के देखेंगे तो काफी सिंपल रहेगा समझने के लिए हमें. लेट अस ड्रॉ ट्रायंगल ए बी सी सच दैट ए बी इज द बेस एंड सी डी इज परपेंडिकुलर टू ए बी. सो ये हमने, एंड लेट अस आल्सो नॉट फॉरगेट दैट एंगल ए एंड एंगल बी आर एक्यूट एंगल्स. सो ये एक ट्रायंगल बनेगा हमारा. दिस इज सी A, B and CD is perpendicular to AB. Okay, and cos A is equal to cos B. So अगर हम ट्रायंगल ADC देख रहे हैं और ट्रायंगल BDC देख रहे हैं तो cos A यहाँ पे बनेगा बेस that is AD अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज that is AC, और यहाँ पे हमारा cos B बनेगा BD अपॉन BC. Okay, so let us write cos A and cos B in terms of the sides of the triangle. जो फॉर्मूला हमने यहाँ पे लिखा है, रेशियो यहाँ पे लिखा है, उसी बेसिस पे. So cos A is equal to AD upon AC. जब एंगल D हमारा 90 डिग्री है, हमने CD को परपेंडिकुलर बनाया AB पे, तो जब एंगल D 90 डिग्री है हमारा, एंगल CDA, तो AC हाइपोटेन्यूज बनेगा, एंड जब एंगल CD भी 90 डिग्री है तो CB हाइपोटेन्यूज बनेगा. सो यहाँ पे cos A इज इक्वल टू बेस दैट इज AD इन ट्रायंगल CDA, इट इज AD अपॉन AC. ओके, नाउ एंड cos B is equal to again base upon hypotenuse, so this is equal to BD upon BC, BD upon BC, and now AD upon AC, AD upon AC is equal to BD upon BC. This is the most important thing that we have found, that we have been given, or by the help of this triangle we have also derived. ओके, नाउ हम इसको एज्यूम कर लेते हैं कि ये दोनों रेशियोज आर इक्वल टू वन कांस्टेंट के. ये हमने डिराइव कर लिया. नाउ लेट अस एज्यूम दैट दीस बोथ आर इक्वल टू वन कांस्टेंट के. सो AD is equal to KBD. So this would equal to, we can also derive that AD is equal to K into BD and AC is equal to K into BC. ओके, ये हमने डिराइव कर लिया. लेट दिस बी एज नंबर 1 एंड लेट दिस बी एज नंबर 2. नाउ लेट अस सी द ट्राइंगल अगेन. AD is equal to something into BD. AD is equal to something into BD and AC is equal to something into BC. ओके, अब हम पाइथागोरस थ्योरम को यहां पे यूज करेंगे. सो हमारा जो हाइपोटेन्यूस है AC and other hypotenuse is BC. Okay, now we have two hypotenuse AC and BC. So we can write that AC square, or let us take it as BC square. BC square is equal to, ये BC square is equal to CD square plus BD square by Pythagoras theorem is equal to CD square plus DB square or BD square plus BD square. Okay, this is again for the other triangle. Let us take for the second triangle. In that AC square. AC square is equal to CD square plus AD square. CD square plus AD square. Okay, now हमारे पास ये CD square कॉमन आ रहा है. So in this we can write that BC square minus BD square is equal to CD square, and here we can also write it as AC square minus AD square is equal to CD square. अब हमने इन दोनों ही इक्वेशंस को CD square के टर्म में फाइंड आउट कर लिया. Now what we can do is we can equate these two equations. हम इसको और इसको equate कर लेंगे because both are equal to CD square. RHS दोनों में same है. So we can say that AC square minus AD square. Now we can say that AC square minus AD square is equal to BC square minus BD square. ये फाइंड आउट कर लिया हमने बिकॉज CD स्क्वायर को हमने रिप्लेस कर दिया और दोनों ही जगह पर हमने CD स्क्वायर के जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में पार्ट्स हैं, टर्म्स हैं, उसको इक्वेट कर दिया. ओके, नाउ लेट अस गो बैक टू दिस. AD is equal to K into BD and AC is equal to K into BC. Now let us see what we have found in equation 1 and equation 2. AC is equal to K into BC. So जो यहाँ पे AC square है, it can be replaced with this part K into BC, and AD is equal to K into BD. So AD square can be replaced with K into BD. So AC square is equal to K into BC whole square. K into BC whole square minus AD is found as K into BD whole square. K into BD whole square. Okay, is equal to BC square minus BD square as it is. Okay, so अब यहां पे हम K square को कॉमन निकाल लेंगे. K square is common, so this would become BC square minus BD square, and this is equal to BC square minus BD square. Okay, this would tell us that K square is equal to 1, and for that matter K भी 1 के इक्वल ही होगा. Now अब K हमने 1 ले लिया है, so what would this mean? Let us see, हमने K square कहां पे लिया था. So when K square is equal to 1, this would imply that AC is equal to BC, and therefore angle A is equal to angle B. This is what we have proved. Question number 7. If cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8, evaluate number 1, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, and number 2, cot square theta. Here we are given that cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8. Cot theta is 1 upon tan theta. Okay, so cot theta can also be written as the inverse of 10 or reciprocal of 10, that is base upon perpendicular, which is equal to 7 upon 8. So base हमें 7 दिया हुआ है, perpendicular 8 दिया हुआ है, ये हमको यहाँ पे cot theta की वैल्यू दी हुई है 7 upon 8. Let us draw a right angle triangle and see what is the third side out of it. This is a right angle triangle A, B, C, right angle at B. Okay, so this is the theta, this is base, or we may just put it as the value base is 7, which is BC, and perpendicular AB for theta as C is 8. So we have to find the hypotenuse. So straight application of Pythagoras theorem, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. Okay, so AC square would remain as it is. AB square is 8 square plus BC square is 7 square. So AC square is equal to 64 plus 7 square is 49. AC square is equal to 4 and 9 is 13, 6 and 4 10 and 1 113. When AC square is 113, AC would be अंडर रूट ऑफ 113. ये हमको वैल्यू मिल गई यहाँ पे. सो AC इज अंडर रूट 113. हमें अब फाइंड करना है वैल्यू ऑफ 1 प्लस साइन थीटा 1 माइनस साइन थीटा मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 माइनस साइन थीटा अपॉन 1 प्लस कॉस थीटा मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 1 माइनस कॉस थीटा. And then we also have to find what is cot square theta. Fine, that's a different thing, वो हम find कर सकते हैं easily. But let us find what are the ratios of sin theta and cos theta over here. So sin theta is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 8, hypotenuse is 113. So under root 113. So sin theta is 8 plus under root 113. 8 upon under root 113, and that is plus 1. Sin theta is equal to 8 upon 113, and cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Base is 7 and hypotenuse is 113, under root 113. So this is 7 upon under root 113. See, this is a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Again, this is a square minus b square. So, हमें करना क्या है? 1 square plus this square into 1 minus this is a square minus b square. So, 1 square minus ये वाला 7 upon 113 and 8 upon 113 whole square. Okay. So, the first ratio that we have to find is 1 plus sin theta upon 1 minus sin theta multiplied by 1 minus sin theta upon 1 plus cos theta multiplied by 1 minus cos theta. So this can be written as 1 minus sin square theta, and this can be written as 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, so what is 1 minus sin square theta? That is 1 minus 8 upon 113 whole square. 1 minus 8 upon 113 whole square upon 1 minus cos theta is 7 upon under root 113. So this is equal to 7 upon under root 113 whole square is equal to. So this is equal to 1 minus 64 upon 113, and this is 1 minus 49 upon 113. Okay, so this can be further simplified as 113 minus 64 upon 113 and 113 minus 49 upon 113. So this gets cancelled. So this is 113 minus 64 and 113 minus 49. So this is equal to 113 minus 64 upon 113 minus 49 is equal to 49 upon 64. This is the first value answer. Okay, let us find the second sum, that is cot square theta. Cot theta is 7 upon 8. So cot square theta is 7 square upon 8 square, that is 49 upon 64. Again the same thing. Cot square theta is equal to 7 upon 8 square, that is 49 upon 64. So आप ऑब्जर्व कर रहे होंगे दोनों ही जो हमें वैल्यूज फाइंड करने के लिए कहा गया है, दोनों ही वैल्यूज सेम है हमारे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. If 3 cot A is equal to 4, check whether 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A or not. Given that 3 cot A is equal to 4, therefore cot A is equal to 4 upon 3. Cot A is equal to 1 upon tan A. So cot A is equal to base upon perpendicular. So this is equal to 4 upon 3. Base upon perpendicular 4 upon 3 है. So if this is a right angle triangle, okay, triangle A, let it not be A. Cot A पूछा है तो let A be this, B, C. Okay, so if this is the angle that we are talking about, so cot A is base 4 upon perpendicular 3. So what is the value of hypotenuse? So this is straight application of Pythagoras theorem. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AC square is equal to 4 square plus 3 square, and therefore AC square is equal to 16 plus 9, which is equal to 25. So if I take the root of AC, I'll have to take the root of 25 also. So AC is equal to 5. This we have found. यहाँ पे AC 5 मिल गया. And again, as I always say, Pythagorean triplet. If you remember basic Pythagorean triplets, this is not a difficult task for us. This can be done even orally. Okay. So उसके लिए calculation नहीं करनी चाहिए. But then, just for the benefit of everybody, I am doing this calculation. So AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is by Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now let us go back to what we are supposed to be proving. 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. हम पहले जो प्रूव कर नीचे लिख लेते हैं, देन tan, cos और sin की वैल्यूज फाइंड कर लेते हैं, देन उसको इक्वेट कर लेते हैं. सो 1 minus tan square A, you to check that. To check 1 minus tan square A upon 1 plus tan square A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. Okay, so let us find all the ratios first. Sin square A, sin A is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse, and tan is perpendicular upon base. Perpendicular upon base. Let us find these values then. Sin A is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. So this is 3 upon 5. Cos A is equal to base upon hypotenuse. base is 4 and hypotenuse is 5, so this is 4 upon 5. And tan is perpendicular upon base, that is 3 upon 4. This is equal to 3 upon 4. फ्रेंड्स, हम यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट कॉलम में इन सब का स्क्वायर भी फाइंड कर लेते हैं बिकॉज हमें सबकी स्क्वायर वाली वैल्यूज मांगी गई हैं. लेट अस स्क्वायर ऑल दीज वैल्यूज देन. ओके, सो इफ दिस इज साइन स्क्वायर ए इज इक्वल टू 9 अपॉन 25, cos square a is equal to 16 upon 25, and tan square a is equal to 9 upon 16. All values are available with us now. We'll take left hand side first. 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. LHS. 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a is equal to 1 minus 9 upon 16 upon 1 plus 9 upon 16. Okay, so this is 1 minus 9 upon 16 and 1 plus 9 upon 16 can be written as 16 minus 9 upon 16 and 16 plus 9 upon 16. This gets cancelled. So this is 16 minus 9 is 7 upon 25 is the first value. 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a is 7 upon 25. Now let us find RHS. RHS is cos square a minus sin square a. So cos square a is 16 minus 25. 16 upon 25 minus sin square a is 9 upon 25. Okay, so डिनोमिनेटर दोनों का सेम है, हमें एलसीएम सेम करने की जरूरत नहीं है. वी कैन स्ट्रेट अवे सब्ट्रैक्ट द न्यूमरेटर्स. सो 16 minus 9 is 7 upon 25. सो फ्रेंड्स, आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पे LHS is equal to RHS and therefore we can say that the asked equation is equal. So we can say that 1 upon tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Let us write this and close this question. Since LHS is equal to RHS, 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a is equal to cos square a minus sin square a. Verified. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is equal to 1 upon under root 3, find the value of 1 sin A cos C plus cos A sin C, 2 cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Friends, in this question number 9, हमको tan A का जो ratio है that is given to us and we have to find the values of these two questions. Okay, so let us start with what is given to us. Tan A is equal to 1 upon under root 3. Tan की value, tan ratio is the ratio of perpendicular upon base. So tan A is equal to perpendicular upon base is equal to 1 upon under root 3. Okay, so let us draw a right angle triangle which is right angled at B. Okay, and find the value of the missing dimension. This is right angled at B, this is A, this is C. एक बार A भी है, एक बार C भी हमें थीटा बना के लेना है. सो बिकॉज साइन ए कॉस सी मांगा गया है, कॉस ए साइन सी मांगा गया है, तो हम दो सारी वैल्यूज फाइंड करके एक साथ इवैल्यूएट करेंगे जैसे हम पिछले सम में करके आए थे. सो परपेंडिकुलर इज 1, बेस इज √3. परपेंडिकुलर इज 1, बेस इज √3. AC फाइंड करना है. वी हैव टू यूज द पाइथागोरस थ्योरम टू फाइंड AC. Okay, so let us find AC first. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So AC square is equal to AB is under √3 whole square plus BC square is 1 whole square. So AC square is equal to 3 plus 1 is equal to 4 and hence AC is equal to 2. Okay, हमें hypotenuse मिल गया. The value of hypotenuse is 2. Okay, now let us find, हमें find करना है A के terms में sin A cos A. Okay, and then C के terms में हमें find करना है sin C and cos C. Let us find sin A cos A and then sin C cos C. Sin theta is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse and cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse. Okay. साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा का फॉर्मूला एक बार लिख दिया. अब हमें साइन ए कॉस ए साइन सी कॉस सी फाइंड करने के लिए रिपीटेडली फॉर्मूला लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. हम इसके ही नीचे साइन ए फाइंड कर लेंगे, साइन सी फाइंड कर लेंगे और इसके नीचे कॉस ए और कॉस सी फाइंड कर लेंगे. लेट अस स्टार्ट बाय डूइंग दैट. ओके, सो व्हेन इट इज साइन ए, द रेशियो दैट आई वांट इज परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन हाइपोटेन्यूज. साइन ए perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular is 1, hypotenuse is 2. So sin A is 1 upon 2. Cos A is base upon hypotenuse. So base is under √3 and hypotenuse is 2. So base upon hypotenuse is under √3 upon 2. Okay. Now let us find sin C. Sin C is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. So अब हम इसकी बात करेंगे अगर, तो ये जब बेस एंगल बनेगा तो परपेंडिकुलर हमारा AB बन जाएगा. ओके, एंड हाइपोटेन्यूज हमारा AC बन जाएगा. सो परपेंडिकुलर इज अंडर √3 एंड बेस इज 2. सो दिस इज अंडर √3 अपॉन 2. एंड cos C. cos C is base upon hypotenuse. cos C ये है तो बेस हो गया ये CB and hypotenuse is 2, so this is 1 upon 2. So we have found all the values. Now we just have to put them in the required given expression. Sin A cos C and cos A sin C. Let us find that. Number 1, sin A cos C and cos A sin C plus cos A sin C plus cos A sin C. So let us put the value. Sin A is 1 upon 2, cos C is 1 upon 2, cos A is under √3 upon 2 and sin C is under √3 upon 2. So this is 1 upon 4 plus √3 into √3 is 3, 2 into 2 is 4. So this is 4 upon 4 and this is 1. Okay. The second is cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C. Cos A cos C minus sin A sin C is the second sum of the 9th question. Cos A की वैल्यू क्या है देख लेते हैं. cos A is under root 3 by 2 and cos C is 1 upon 2 minus sin A 1 upon 2 and sin C is under root 3 by 2. 1 upon 2 and under root 3 by 2 is equal to. So this is equal to root 3 by 4 minus root 3 by 4. This is equal to 0. So these are our answers that we have found. Okay. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PR plus QR is equal to 25 and PQ is equal to 5 cm. Determine the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. Friends, हम यहाँ पे आगे बढ़ें उससे पहले let us draw the figure over here. Now we are given that triangle PQR, given triangle PQR where angle Q is equal to 90 degree, PQ is equal to 5 centimeter and PR plus QR is equal to 25. ओके अभी PR plus QR 25 है तो हम let us assume any one side as x. Let us assume that the perpendicular height is x. Let QR is equal to x. Okay. So PR क्या होगा? PR would be 25 minus x. Therefore, PR is equal to 25 minus x. Now we have three sides of the right angle triangle. Let us use the Pythagoras theorem and find the value of x. Okay. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have RP square is equal to RQ square plus QP square. RP is 25 minus x whole square. RQ is equal to x square plus QP square is 5 square. So A minus P whole square, this is A square, that is 625 minus B square, that is A square minus 2AB. So minus 2AB is minus 2 into 25 into x, that is minus 50x plus x square is equal to x square plus 25. अब ये x square और ये x square यहाँ से cancel हो जाएगा and what we will now have is minus 50x is equal to 25 minus 625 and minus 50x is equal to minus 600. So value of x is equal to 12. Okay, so when QR is 12, so PR is 13. Okay, therefore QR is equal to 12 centimeter and RP is equal to 13 centimeter and PR is equal to 25 minus 12 is equal to 13 centimeter. So QR हमारे को मिल गया, RP हमारे को मिल गया and base तो हमारे पास already है 5. Okay, now we have to find the values of sin P, cos P and tan P. अब ये अगर theta है, so what is the value of sin P, cos P and tan P? Okay. So see, sin P is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay. And then we are supposed to find cos P. Cos P is equal to base upon hypotenuse and tan P is equal to perpendicular upon base. Let us put all the three values over here. So perpendicular upon base is 12 upon 5. Base upon hypotenuse is 5 upon 13. And perpendicular upon base is 12 upon 5. So now we have all the ratios with us. Sin P, which is equal to perpendicular upon hypotenuse, is equal to 12 upon 13. Cos P, which is equal to base upon hypotenuse, is equal to 5 upon 13. And tan P, which is equal to perpendicular upon base, is equal to 12 upon 5. And this is the answer. Question number 10. State whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. The value of tan A is always less than 1. Okay, so let us make a small right angle triangle over here. Let us make a small right angle triangle over here. Let it be called as A, B and C, and let that be of the smallest possible Pythagorean triplet. Let us say it is as 3, 4 and 5. Okay, और हम tan A की बात करें अगर, so let it be this. Okay, so tan A is equal to perpendicular upon base. So perpendicular here is 4 upon base is 3. So tan A is equal to 4 upon 3, which is equal to 1.33, and that is greater than 1. So value of tan A is always less than 1 is false. Therefore, the statement that value of tan A is always less than 1 is false. Let us take the next part of this true and false. Number 2, sec A is equal to 12 upon 5 for some value of angle A. So sec A is equal to 1 upon cos A. Therefore, sec A is equal to hypotenuse upon base. Okay, so sec A is given to us as 12 upon 5. So let us draw a small right angle triangle and see what values do we get. So if this is A, this is B, this is C, hypotenuse is 12 and this is 5. So let us find BC square. BC. So AC square is equal to BC square plus BA square. So AC square is 12 square is equal to BC square plus BA square is 5 square. So this is equal to 144 is equal to BC square plus 25. So BC square is equal to 144 minus 25, which is equal to 119. So BC is equal to under root 119. ओके, सो ये हमारी पाइथागोरियन जो थियरम है उसमें सेटिस्फाई हो रहा है. ओके, सो वी कैन से दैट सच अ वैल्यू इज पॉसिबल. सो द स्टेटमेंट गिवन दैट sec A is equal to 12 upon 5 for some value of angle A is a true statement. So the above would satisfy Pythagoras theorem, and therefore sec A is equal to 12 upon y for some value of A is true. So the above would satisfy Pythagoras theorem. हमने देख लिया, it is as per that, and therefore sec A is equal to 12 upon 5 for some value of A is true. Number 3, cos A is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. So this is false. We know that cos A stands for cosine of angle A and not cosecant of angle A. Okay. Number 4, cot A is the product of cot and A. This is false because we know that, cot A means cotangent of angle A. It does not imply being the product of cot and A. Sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3 for some angle theta. Friends, sin theta जो ratio है, that is the ratio between perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Okay, and we know that in any right angle triangle, this is the longest side. So perpendicular is always smaller than hypotenuse. Therefore, perpendicular is always smaller than hypotenuse. So sin theta is equal to 4 upon 3 is false.
फ्रेंड्स, आज ही फ्लेक्सी टीचर ऐप सब्सक्राइब करें, जहां आपको मिलेंगे एनिमेटेड वीडियोस, डिजिटल बुक्स, टेक्स्ट बुक सॉल्यूशंस, नोट्स, डीपीपी और क्विज। और हां, फ्लेक्सी टीचर ऐप मोबाइल, टीवी और कंप्यूटर पर अवेलेबल है। और अगर आपके पास इंटरनेट नहीं है तो तुरंत ऑफलाइन सेट टॉप बॉक्स के लिए संपर्क करें। फ्लेक्सी टीचर, द वन यू नीडेड।